Hello everyone, saying not registered on network on your Ultra mobile phone. Don't worry, we have got the solution. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to fix this issue quickly. Let's get started. What causes Ultra mobile not registered on network issue? SIM card issues. The SIM card may be damaged, improperly inserted, or not compatible with the device. Network settings. The device's network settings may be misconfigured, preventing a successful connection. Coverage issues. The device may be in an area with poor or no cellular coverage from the Metro by T-Mobile network. Account issues. There may be an issue with the account such as an unpaid bill or a suspended service. Fix 1. Check coverage. Ensure that you are in an area with adequate network coverage. Sometimes the issue arises simply because you are out of range of the network. Go to Ultra Mobile Coverage Map page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Scroll down and enter your location or address. Press enter to check the coverage. Fix 2. Try restarting your device. Restarting can clear temporary glitches in the software that may affect connectivity. iOS restart, press and hold either the volume button and the slide button, iPhone X and later, or the top button on iPhone 8 and earlier until the power off slider appears. Then drag the slider to turn off the device. After the device turn off, press and hold the side button on iPhone X and later or the top button on iPhone 8 and earlier until you see the Apple logo to turn it back on. Android restart, press and hold the power button for a few seconds until the power menu appears, then tap restart or reboot. If the phone is unresponsive, press and hold the power button for 10 to 20 seconds to force a restart. Fix 3. Try resetting the network settings. The process can be a helpful troubleshooting steps when dealing with various network related problems on your iOS or Android device. For iOS, open the settings apps, go to general, then reset, then go to reset network settings. You may need to enter your device's passcode or Apple ID password to proceed. Confirm the action by tapping reset network settings. Your device will restart automatically and network settings will be reset to their default configuration. For Android, open the Settings app, go to Network and Internet, scroll down to Reset or System, reset network settings or reset Wi Fi. Confirm the action by tapping Reset Settings. Your device will restart automatically and network settings will be reset to their default configurations. Fix 4. Update APN settings manually. For iOS devices, go to Settings, then Cellular, then go to Cellular Data, enable LTE and the APN with the following details: Cellular Data APN Wholesale, MMS APN Service, MMSC http wholesale.mmsmvno.com/mms slash webenc, MMS Max Message Size 1048576 and MMS UA proof URL http www.apple.com/mms uaproof.rdf. Leave the remaining fields empty. For Android, go to Settings, then Internet and Connection, then go to Mobile Network, Access Point Name, tab 3 dot menu at the top right corner. Select Add, enter the following details: name Ultra, APN Wholesale, MMSC, http wholesale.mms/mvno.com/mms/webenc, multimedia message port 8080. MCC and MNC do not change default values. APN type default supple MMS IA, APN protocol IPv4 or IPv6, APN roaming protocol IPv4 or IPv6. MVNO type GID and MVNO value do not change default values. Leave the remaining field blank. Fix 5. Check SIM card. The SIM may be improperly seated, damaged, or inactive, preventing your device from connecting to the mobile network. Remove and reinsert the SIM card. Power off your device. Repeat the process of ejecting the SIM tray using the SIM eject tool or a paperclip. Remove the existing SIM card from the tray. Place the new SIM card into the tray, ensuring the notch is aligned properly. Fully insert the tray back into the device until it clicks securely. Fix 6. Check Ultra Mobile account status. Verifying your usage and payment is crucial to ensure you are aware of your account activity and avoid any potential issues. Method 1, using app. Download the Ultra Mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign in and navigate to balances, the bottom of the screen. Select plus sign near 5G or 4G LTE data or call to add extras. Alternatively, you can also navigate to dashboard at the bottom of the screen where you can see amount of data or call left. If necessary, click plus sign to add extras or click renew now to recharge your plan. Method 2, using website. Go to Ultra Mobile website and log into your account. Once logged in, go to Manage Plan section. If necessary, recharge now to activate the SIM again. Fix 7, manually register on network. If you are experiencing problems with cellular coverage or data connectivity, manually switching to a different available network may help resolve the issue. On iOS, go to Settings, then Mobile Data, go to Network Selection, then go to Turn off Automatic, select T-Mobile or Ultra Mobile from Available list. On Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then go to SIM card and Mobile Network, select the SIM, turn off automatically, select Network, select T-Mobile or Ultra Mobile from Available list. Fix 8, contact customer support. Call Ultra Mobile's customer service at 1-888-777-0446 or dial 611 from your Ultra Mobile phone or visit Ultra Mobile FAQ page. Scroll down to chat with live agent for further assistance. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. You might need to replace the SIM to fix the error.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.